Hey, we're back, and this is part two of checking my or reviewing my old Roblox games. So, starting off from last time, starting off from before, we were in yesterday, in fact, we were playing Click Simulator, and yeah, that's where we ended the stream there. But today we are going to look at we're going to look at the scripts in it, reviewing them, and maybe playing it again. We'll see if chat wants it. Okay, so but the first thing we're going to do is going to be playing it. So opening our Roblox Studio again and going into Click Simulator. What I actually done that well, actually, we're gonna after Click Simulator, we're gonna go on Life Simulator. I didn't actually include it because I didn't think it was like a big enough game or big enough to do it, but never mind. So we're gonna look at Click Simulator, and I'm gonna be talking about uh why I really created it and stuff like that. Like this game wasn't a whole load of a rubbish game. Like basically, like Life Simulator wasn't a whole load of rubbish as well, but so was Click Simulator. It wasn't a whole load of rubbish. That I just placed free models everywhere and stuff. But this game I actually had a story, not story, but I had. It's just not me just placing random free models everywhere and stuff. So we're gonna look at the reason I created this. So it was like this was about somewhere in the end of 2018, and you can see literally my avatar barely changed at all. And in 2018, I just felt like I wanted to make something like this game because I was just thinking of a simulator idea, and this simulator was actually pretty unique because like it had a story to it. It had a story to it. So like there's a character called Will, there's a character called Nick. They're like NPCs around the map, and yeah, it was supposed to be like I remember the story was like aliens were like dropping boxes from the sky, and those were like the boxes you can see if you've ever played this game, and they're called crates where they sometimes spawn and stuff. So I'm just gonna quickly go and check the chat because it's quite. Oh no, what am I doing? Uh, gonna go check the chat. And there we go. Okay, so let's go back to studio and yeah. So yeah, basically that's basically the storyline. There were free models such as this tree, such as these bushes. Like most of the building were free models. Like I don't think any of the well, like maybe one script or two scripts were free models, but I don't really think so. Well, I'll just go look for them. So I'm gonna. Yeah, this was a terrain stuff. I probably nowadays prefer the base plate one rather than terrain, but back then I used terrain, and terrain makes the game a bit bigger because it's longer. Because terrain takes longer to load in. So I'm just going to check. Because I remember making this seat, this poor built seat, very quite poor. Um, and I'm just gonna go. The first script is basically a very simple script. It's not that good. All it does is it's a clip detector, and whenever you click it, you get leader stats. And the laying out of this is not actually too bad, to be honest. Like, yeah, that's actually pretty nice. That's pretty good. So yeah, you get one score. That works. I was gonna add a debounce and stuff, but I just didn't really want to. The script that I want to show you is if we go in service script service and we go in main script. This is literally look at it. So it's basically look at all of that. It's I'm I think it's a bit like I was replicating it and putting it into the workspace, but it's literally look how long this is. Super long, I know. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make it much easier in my own um script, in my own game, like I've made ages ago. And FPS isn't too bad, as you can see in the corner. So like simple, because I should put a wild to-do instead, but why I am gonna put a wild to-do. You could also put a what do we want? You could also put a for loop, but wild to-do will do it over and over again. And yeah, that should be fine. That will replicate and put it back each time. I'm not sure it's like eek. Don't see that. I even cloned it. Oh, I don't even clone it. Sorry about that. I actually just place the parent, so just put it in replicate storage and then put it back in replicate storage rather than deleting it and cloning it. Which the best way is to clone it and deleting it, and that is because like a player could like there could be a script that could be messed up somehow. A player could just break that script somehow, but yeah, and then that'll be the full continuous for the how long the server's gonna live. So next one is basically no, I'm not gonna show this coin one. What I am gonna show is this. So I'll show the server scripts after. I'm just gonna show you the like workspace scripts and stuff. Yeah, and this, as you can see, it's kind of poor. You can go through this if you have 1,000 score or more, unless someone lets you. Like I didn't know how to make it so only players can actually go through it. No one else can go through it. Um, like I've got an idea how to do it now. You would have to change like the physics of it and stuff like that, or something else. But as you can see, script of parent attached. It's basically the same if their leader stats is like that. Another way of doing this, which no one really actually does, is going to say game.players, and then we can say touch touch.parent. So this FPS is not that good. Dot name. Yeah, that's basically another way. Probably still work. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up there. And next, so that's all that scripts. It's basically everywhere. There's a bit of a break, and I believe that one's in that one. Like, well, that thing falls because it's not even calculated, but that doesn't matter. We won't worry about now. So next we're gonna look at is the scripts in server script server. So no, really look at main scripts, overhead UI script. So just checking like it's actually neated. That's quite a neat script. That's pretty neat, isn't it? How I've placed it. So basically, it's going to say owner. It's not that good. I'll just make it a bit better because it's. I can't say it, but it's not actually above the head. So I'm just gonna change that. I'm gonna say clone UI dot adorn. I think that's how you spell it. Equals. It doesn't matter with that doesn't matter. But I put it in the headers at adorn, and that'll be a bit better. I'm not sure if it really changes it, but yeah, that's it. And then we got the currency script, and this was data saving. I like data saving is pretty good. I could save data save quite well. Save data quite well. I meant yeah, and I don't think yeah. Oh, well, never mind. Just that was the data saving. Next we're gonna look at. Actually, first I'm just gonna go and check the chat, see what they're saying. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so that's basically it for that script. Next, we're gonna look basically for the scripts. Next we're gonna look at the GUIs, and we've got the emotes and the shop. So the shop, all it had was products, developer products. If we could go into Game Explorer, just quit that so we can actually see. and developer products. We have quite a lot, as you can see. So yeah, so that's all the developer products. I'll look at the scripts. Oh, I'm just going to put that back there. We'll go and look for the scripts in the emotes one. So frame, a lot of animations. We just got a loaded animation. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's still like my animation skills were quite poor, as you can see. One of the animations was like a front flip, but the front flip was so unrealistic. So that's basically random game. Oh no, no, sorry about that. Click simulator. Um, I'm gonna go and play in the game because actually I'm gonna give a suggestion in the chat. I'll just go and type in the chat. Guys, you wanna play click sim? And see what they say. We'll go into it if they do want it. Okay, doesn't matter. We won't go in it today, but it's all right. We're gonna go into our next game. So, what we're gonna be looking at. Also, when we've done with this, I might do some coverage of me actually scripting on the games on a project I'm working on. Actually, I want to play. Okay, we'll go play it. That's sure for sure. I'll just go and click simulator. You can join me. Open Roblox. That's bad. Yeah, I'll be showing coverage of my game called Galactic Stories. I think all of you know what that is, who's watching. Probably. And some of you are devs of it, in fact. Okay, so we did and like this positioning is quite terrible. Look at that, it's not even anchored. And that disco is actually pretty nice. I don't know how that happened. I think you can somehow get down. Oh, what? Oh, that's a bit weird. That's some like glitch or something with the terrain. Okay, it's quite laggy. Oh yeah, we got 3 people joining me. That's mad. And yeah, we also got this cool NPC waving, just expressing like, is this game over and stuff. Cool. Want me to come? I'll come and follow him. What do you want? Okay. So we actually played it last game. Not last game, last stream, last time in the stream, we played it, and also Gold was in it as well. Guys, I'll give everyone what was it again? I'll give everyone a lot of coins so they can go through everywhere. So we're just gonna write for iCarV in pairs game players go and get children. Do and say v dot leader stats dot score dot value equals value. Damn it. Okay, it doesn't matter. At least we can actually let them go through. So, 1,000 and only 100. That's pretty bad. So yeah, that's basically the game. I'm probably gonna go and leave and go to our next game. So, oh yeah, I just saw Gold said it doesn't work. Oh yeah, that was the walk speed shop. I forgot about that. We're not gonna really be looking at it, but our next game's gonna be Life Simulator. It was gonna be Zombie Fights because that was actually a really thought idea I had, but never didn't do anything in it because I just like as soon as I got in it, I just couldn't be bothered to script it or build it. So, and next is Life Simulator. Life Simulator was supposed to be, one of Alvin's sword fight games. Yeah, that was supposed to be that. It's kind of broken, so we're not gonna really play it, but we'll go through the scripts and stuff. So that'll be nice. Go check the chat. And we'll go in a studio. Oh yeah, it's quite laggy. There's explosion for some reason. Yeah, this was supposed to be like the intermission. It's going to be quite laggy because of the yeah, got quite bad FPS. I can't look at this. Look at this horrible build. Just look at that. How am I not be able to move? Why can't I move? Okay, I can. Now I can. Okay, just how did I? That building is just horrible. The door is well poorly built. It's really poorly built, to be honest. And then there's Disco Dude. That's not too terrible, but it is quite bad. Like there were, because I made this before I made Click Simulator, but that's basically all there really is. There was a teleport, there was a nice sky box, and so I'm just gonna go leave, and we're gonna go play our next game. And this game, it's like I made this, like I started working in it about how can I say? I started working in it about October, November last year. I wasn't that good at scripting as I am now. Like some stuff I didn't really know. Yeah, like November, December, I worked on a game called it was originally called The Random Light. My first idea of it was going to be the random chair or something like that. It's basically if anyone's ever played Click the Button. Like some of the people in this live stream might have played this game. We'll be looking through the main scripts, and I wanna, because at least this time I could actually script. I could script everything in this game that were free models was the building, because I'm not too great at building. So we can go in and check this game out, because this game is it's quite cool actually. It's quite fun. So as you can see, we've got this script of coins, and we've got which I made. We've got the settings, because I made a game pass, and if I go and press off there, if I can press off, I have back to 16 walk speed. Everyone else will probably not have it. Okay, so this is basically if you hit the button, something will happen. And the zombie, and then you just gotta run away from the zombie. I didn't actually script the zombie. I did change parts of it. And this random noob was supposed, if anyone could see this random noob, here, it was supposed to be for another like situation or whatever they're called. Oh, it's just quite loud. There we go. And then there we got bombs falling from the sky. There's like probably about 30 to 30 maybe situations. Yeah, 30 situations. Just like bombs will start falling out from the sky after the end. So there they are, and we all die. It's just a situation game. We might do all of the situations, maybe. We'll just go and see. There's just a big. There are free models in this. Like all the buildings were free models. The scripting of the main game wasn't actually a free model, and this was just supposed to be a disco stuff. Oh yeah, game is choosing random player. Yeah, there was bugs at times, like that random player happens, and then it does it again for some reason. It's a bug. Yeah, so that's basically random game. We'll try and find any more ones. So you guys can go play it. If you want to leave, that's fine. Um, leave the game because I'm gonna go and check the scripts. Well, I'll leave in a minute. I'll just go and check some, play a bit more. Hopefully, we can find some more situations because it is random. Yeah, climb the obby. I don't know what that's in the background. Oh yeah, it's the other thing. Let's see who wins. He's probably gonna win. Yep, he's won. Yeah, this game. I actually like this. It was actually a if I knew a bit more scripting, this could be good. But I kind of quit this game a bit. Kind of quit this game. Yeah, due to probably like I just didn't think it had any potential, and there were too much free models. Because one point in that I just stopped using free models. So hopefully, and then that's a funny one. So that's maybe some more. We might do a teeny bit more of the game. Oh yeah, color changing base plate. That's quite. It might hurt your eyes. I did say in the description, warning, flashing lights. Or in a bomb spawns there if you can get it. A kid just said something. I'm just gonna say. I don't think he even knows I'm live streaming. Yeah, and that trampoline doesn't work. So that's basically it. I'm probably gonna go and leave, and we're gonna look at the big thing that made that all happen. Like when you're really new to scripting, people would say like scripts are stuff that makes things come to life or something like that. So that's what we're gonna be showing. Like yeah, danger extreme randomness. It's okay, so it's quite a big game to be honest. So you got main script, and this is the longest script I think I've ever made. If you can see, it's literally got 539 lines. Look how much ends there are. Just look. Like, let me just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. About 35 ends. So 35 if statements or yeah. So literally all I said was red not mouse click. I defined red. I don't know why I called it that. It's just a bit random. Try to make like a debounce so it actually work. If I made it now, there would probably be less bugs and I could script more cool levels or more better levels. So just all I'd done basically is just like these. I just called these paragraphs. So paragraph 1 was music, and that was the if you've ever heard the electronic stuff. Yeah, so that was that. It's really long. Like if you can go and see, the scripting's not too bad. There was if we can go down and try to find this one. Oh no, I deleted anyway. No, it doesn't matter. And then there was just so much. Like that was the dark one. You can see at the end of every script I have to write that. I put music in most of them. Yeah, it was really nice. And we can go and see like this tag VIP. I think was um yeah, that test random light is my test one, and there's Game Pass. Oh yeah, and I wanted, because this guy who was playing my game said he wanted the quick walk speed, and I said that, so I'm not really sure if it actually works. And it's got this cache. Also has saving, which is quite cool. If we go and check this random GUI, I could have made this better because I didn't know if you can see this really long scripts back then. There's a simple function, string dot sub, like that reduces the CPU's power by just saying that, or the how long this takes for the script manager to actually make this. So it's a bit weird that I done that. Oh well, I should have learned a bit more than that. And yeah, that's basically the random game. Like I probably quit this February, March, because too much free models. I just couldn't be really bothered to work on it that much. Well, actually, another reason I quit this is because oh, I can't remember, but it was I was playing someone's game and I was just like, I need to make a game like this. I need to make a game because I just felt I could do that. Yeah, that's the So, and the coins, I'll just go and check that. It's quite simple script. You don't know. Cache. So just go in. Yeah, so that's simple. We actually done a video on this. Like my first ever YouTube video was on that cache thing. So yeah, that's what I was just quite. I just had a different way of doing it. Like you could say you could do an event when it's changed, but I didn't do that. So that's random game. Yeah, that game was a bit of a oh, a bit of a damn it, like a bit of a hit for me. I like 21 likes, 4 dislikes, because this game was the only game I didn't actually quit recently. Because like if you might have seen in the chat when people say do detective, I quit that game because I was actually the only one doing it. Like I really liked the story idea, but I just couldn't make it. I'm just gonna go and check the chat because I don't have a double Oh, minigame mayhem. Yep. Oh, random game. Yeah, random game. Doesn't work. Actually, you're right. Yeah, there is glitches in it. It's not my best ever game, and I'm not really good with that. So minigame mayhem is going to come next, and a lots of people might have heard this game. Well, probably everyone in the chat has heard of this game. Pretty much. Minigame mayhem. I quit this game because for some reason the game didn't actually work. So like it did work. I'm not going to be playing it. You guys can go and play it, but I'm not going to be playing it because really it doesn't actually work. It has a good intermission. This game was. I felt like I could create it better. This game was. It's kind of a base off of the random game. It's basically like that, but I made it mini games. So it's got again 400 lines of code. This destroyer, I like this. That game was actually a really fun game because you just had to touch as many parts as you can find, and oh yeah, for some reason that is the mouse went all weird or whatever. There was only Yeah, there was only one free model. One, and that was this. That was a statue. Again, the reason was I don't really know how to build and stuff. The GUIs weren't perfect. My building wasn't perfect. Some of the mini games were good. We can go and see. It has this that I created. Like my friend made that. Yeah, my friend made that for me. Well, helped me build that. Which is kind of nice. I'm just gonna go testing because I'm not really. It's not really gonna work. To be honest, it's not gonna work. So the next game, after this, we'll just go look slightly at the scripts. The next game will be. Oh yeah, I've chosen map as party, and I'm not sure if you can hear the audio of it. You probably can, and you can see it glitches on that. That's the glitch. I like the stats, like seconds played. It had seconds played, so that's how long I've been in this server. 7,752 seconds, which is quite weird. Well, not weird, but that's how long I've been in that server. No, not server. Sorry. The game, the whole game. I feel like I done data saving. I think. Yeah, I done data saving. I'm just gonna go check the chat. Check the chat. And yeah, so next we're probably gonna be. Oh yeah, that a big problem with this game is when you press stop, it takes ages to load. I think it's because of data stores catching my data because of the seconds. So yeah, I finally found that out because of Alvin, because he said it does take time, which is like better with Alvin. Yeah, like with that, I had loads of stuff. The shop, I'm not really sure. What was this? Oh yeah. I tried to make a walk speed shop, which I don't think really. Like I could have made it now, but don't think it really went to plans. But that's basically all that game. And the next game I will be showcasing is going to be, and we're gonna play this game. So let's just go and. I need to fix it if it's detective. And no. It's gonna be this game. It's got to be. I don't think anyone really knew of this game. No one heard of this game. Like everyone. I'm just gonna name it. Like this game was. This project was going to be full out one of my best ideas I've ever had. It was basically a fighting game, a bit like Minigame Mayhem. Oh yeah, one of my friends inspired me to make this game, and it had like a shop thing. I think it does work. Oh yeah, and it was quite designed way, quite well designed. But then after a bit, I just couldn't. I just like sometimes when I'm developing, I like for like 2 games, I didn't even complete. No, 3 games even. I didn't even complete because of stress and stuff. And I'm just gonna name this sword battles, and we're gonna play this because this game I never actually played with another person. But this game, not many people would know about this. It's before Detective. It's called Sword Battles. We're gonna go be playing it. Like this game, I built. There was no free models in this, and let's just go. No, I can't. Anyway, um, um, it was quite well designed. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's go and see. Everyone else should be able to join, and we can go and try because yeah, I was thinking of having like an arcade. Like there could be like this story room. There's this arcade where you could just play mini games, stuff like that. What is this supposed to be? Oh yeah, this is supposed to be like pick a number between 0 to 5. That was actually a pretty cool thing I tried to make. So you might see that in the way. We'll just go 4. Yeah, I don't think I ever actually made it work. So would you like to play the next battle? I'm gonna say yes. And Like, this did have a shop. If we go in the shop, this will be hosted at grass. There's only 2. Yep. I think everyone got teleported. Um. Oh, yeah. The rain is mer. I'm not sure if it's gonna say if he won. No, it's not. It's not gonna say. But yeah, I didn't actually complete this game, so that's why I don't think it said choose a number. Yeah, this number thing. Pick a number to be 0 to 5. There's you can see your backpack. You can get stuff from the shop. There is a shop thing, I think, or is that not working anymore? Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, what's going on? Oh no, it's nothing. So the game's quite broken. I didn't really make anything. Yeah, it is broken. That is, you're right. Um, so I was planning to make this game much better and make it actually work, but it didn't work and scripts like so. That's basically that game. Next, we are going so that's sword battles. Like sword battles, I didn't fully complete. I didn't even halfway complete. I thought it was gonna take months, and yeah, I thought it was gonna take months. And next one is detective. So you're all happy to play this game, or all wanting to play this game. I like this thumbnail. It's not really that great. Like that thumbnail is nice. Let's go and I'll go and make it public so everyone can play. Config this game public, and we'll go save that, and then we'll go back to create. I actually have to let's go in studio and actually fix the game because the game's actually broken. In detective you can't teleport to there, mainly because I think I done teleport to private server, and I'm not really. I was back then. I wasn't actually really good with that, and it'll be stuck on that loading screen. So detective story. I had a detective lobby test, which was gonna be a test game. So after that, after detective, it's going to be galactic. No, we're gonna. I'm gonna review the Evil Child. That's a game that Rat 850 made. A lot of people, well, you were requesting that, so I'll be making that. And this building's actually pretty nicely designed. They were like me and a dev in my team, Hot Dev. He helped me build that. Okay, let me just go and see. Oh yeah, not that. Okay, we want to go in here. Server teleport, server 1. Teleport. No, we just want to teleport. We don't want to. It's good that. Okay, so just want to say teleport teleport because it doesn't really matter anymore. Because I'm not really working on this game, so I just want to show players this game. So teleport teleport. We'll say no. Game dot place ID comma the. Yeah, that's might as well just go and commit this. Go on save. Save. Let's go and check if this options we have. Let's go and save that, and we'll go. No, hopefully it'll work. I was gonna say we should not do that, but never mind. Just go and check the chat. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I'll do Galactic. Yeah, I'll do Galactic next. I promise, I'll do Galactic next. So, Detective Story, we'll go and play that. We'll try and get some players in. And if it doesn't work, and if we don't get teleported, which I think might be the case, we'll probably have to show Galactic. Because we'll probably have to show Galactic. Next. Okay, loading assets. Yeah, okay. So I'll just go wait for you guys. Oh, and you can see this is actually a cool thing I made. Players that have been in the server, you can see you can scrub and you can see gold prime, and that's actually a really nice feature that I added. Oh, I don't know how you went through that. Oh, it's not even can glide. So the problem is it's gonna go really quickly. So don't go in it yet. Don't go in it yet. Okay, we'll just go in it. It's fine. Okay, it's really quick. I know it's glitched. It's glitched. Please say it works. Please, please. Yes, it works. It works. Let's go. What? No, 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 no. No. We got teleported to here. We got teleported to here. That's just a glitch. Sorry about that, guys. I know what we need to do. Why did I do that? We teleported to the place. What am I thinking? We need to teleport to the. Sorry about that. That's a bit. I thought it would work like that. Never mind. I'll go quickly change that, and yeah, you can stay in the game because I'll be just like 10 I was gonna say 10 minutes, about 20 seconds, something like that. Just need to change a teeny bit of the script, and then we can go and hopefully do Galactic, because I want to show everyone Galactic. So we're just going to say go places, detective story. Let's go copy ID to clipboard, and then here we'll go and paste that. Just go and commit to that. Commit. Okay, fine. And we'll go and publish to Roblox. And exit. And I know the simple glitch. Oh, simple what? What did I just say? Okay, and hopefully this will work finally now. If it doesn't work, we'll have to go. Oh yeah, guys, rejoin, because we want. I'll just to make sure, I'll go and turn servers off and on. I don't know what's going on with that. Waiting for available server. So if this doesn't work, then we will just look at Galactic, and yeah, and we won't end stream there. I will probably maybe show you some stuff from Galactic. We'll go and wait for a gold prime. Don't go yet. Okay, there we go. Then we can go in, and hopefully everyone comes in quickly. 10, 9, 8. Oh, so lucky. You sure it's not good? No. Oh my. No. Oh wait, no, it's working. Oh, it's working. Just have to wait a bit, and then we will see the fill in action. It waits quite a bit. Okay, there we go. Welcome, agents. I've been requested by the RDS, Roblox Defense System. It's not that too big of a game, about a new beta game, which have copied us, named Blocks. I'll see. It's basically the story of it. The story of it is, so Roblox is about to release, but there's a new game called Blocks, and they copy. So, and you're the agents, the players are the agents, and they have to, like, oh, I got this. Maybe at the presentation of the game at 30 minutes today. At Fortunates. I don't know. I don't know. I just came up with that random name. So that's basically that. Now the next game. So I'm gonna leave that, guys, and all of the devs are in the game. Let's just go and check. Let's go in Firefox. Oh yeah, it shows the date. Yeah, I'll just go and type that. On os.date. Okay, so now we are going to be doing Galactic Mayhem. So go and join me, guys, or go into it yourself. Hopefully everyone here is a dev. I'm not sure, probably not. If no one is, say in the chat and I will kind of tweak the script if you want to play. Just for now, the kick script. Like the quick kick, once the kick script wasn't working, and it's a bit weird why it wasn't working. Because so I'm just gonna turn it down because it might be it's a bit too loud for me. Okay. The audio is not that good for me. Okay, let's just go and see. Let's go and see Firefox. Remember to set it to public. Oh, okay. Okay, so what is this? Oh, got hit by. Okay, so do you want to go in the game? Do you want to go in the game server? We'll go in it now. We'll call guys. Just. Let's go in it, guys. Everyone go in it, and we'll go and play. So 23 seconds on the clock, and we can go and play. I'm just gonna see if we got leaderboard. I've never actually seen this. I'm not joking. What is going on? That's a bit weird. Okay, so we're gonna get teleported, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll go and explain some stuff in it. So I'm trying to make a teleport loading screen, but for some reason it's not actually working. And yeah, as you can see, this animation I done, and then it was like, hey boss. A problem I'm trying to make it so you don't see the animation stopping from the first animation. I've got this animation for when he's just cross with him. So when he puts his arm up and twists his head, it's like he's cross with him because he doesn't. He just thinks it's just nonsense. Oh great, and yes, I'm sure. And then I've got this animation of him coming, or wants him to come. Okay, and when he says okay, fine, and hopefully it doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't actually change the camera. Might be a bug in. Well, what happens? I wanted him to walk. For some reason, he's not walking. That I have to fix. Client servers. Oh, script is not a valid member. Oh no. Allow HTTP requests. So that's that's Galactic Stories. I'm gonna go in chat. Oh. And two other people have joined, and I know who they are. Alright. So next, I'm gonna go in studio and. Well, what do you want me to do? Say in the chat what you want me to do. Or let's go and see what you want me to do. I'll just go into the chat. Okay, people. Okay, so next we'll go and review a game called The Evil Child, and we got 9 people in that. That's pretty nice. Let's go and see. Okay, so The Evil Child. I'll go and have to try and get that. Find. Hopefully it's quick enough. Slightly improve the performance by just going out of studio. Okay, let's go and see. Home, and we want to go see all. And we'll go. I will review The Evil Child for you. And this game is made by 3 people. Yeah, it's in a group game. And I'll be reviewing. Damn, forgot why. Oh come on, why is Oh yeah, I'll join you. Why is it like? Oh come on. Oh yeah, okay. So wait for everyone to join. Got 2 people. Who's in? Okay, Gamer Bros Tester. Roblox team does okay. By the way, everyone, this is a story game.
Can you figure out the story?
Let's just see this. Robert has invited you to a sleepover. Surely nothing can go wrong. Okay, do you wanna go in the game now? Which one? Just wait for everyone and 9. Yeah, this game's it's a bit like what we are currently making, but not exactly the same. The story's not the same, but we are also making a story game. We have arrived. Yay. This is basically what we're doing right now. We have cuts. The only thing I would suggest is cutscenes because I like cutscenes. And one thing also like is the building inside of the house. So you got bookshelves and stuff, staircase. Yeah, basically it's a sleepover. Yeah, one thing also I kind of want is the walking NPCs. I do have, I can do the move to function, but the problem is how to make them walk or run, wherever the animation is. Like maybe something I could suggest, maybe something like interactive, because basically all we're doing is listening to players or NPCs talking and stuff. So something interactive would be better. That's what I would suggest. Interesting. Yeah, so everything. Oh, quest. Alright. All I've got up to is when they go into the kitchen and they go into the kitchen and then it stops somewhere like there. I can't remember, but it's something like when they're in the kitchen. Uh, yeah, now we go upstairs and just goes upstairs and stuff. Um, yeah, what? Yeah, the building's great. That's what. Well, the building's good. I really like the building, and I would suggest maybe more quests. I'm not sure what the first quest is. That's what I'm wondering. But what I like, also what I want in my game is because the dialogue sound and dialogue is quite quick. I can make the dialogue quick, but I want sound of it. And sound, I'm not sure how to like make it like that. I'll just go and I don't know. I'll try and make something like that. Oh, it's broken. Oh no, no, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, what's going on? What is going on? Let's see what he says when he gets there. My parents. Yeah, something you could say is maybe. Oh. I see. Snacks already. can't actually move. No, I can. Okay. Like, yeah, that's what I would. That's what I would suggest because it's kind of getting a bit boring just seeing text. Maybe something interactive. So next, maybe, I'll decide in the chat what should we do next. Maybe me reviewing, or me just creating, or just showing footage of me developing galactic stories. If you want to watch that, and I'll talk through that and stuff. TV quest. Yeah, that's why I'd want quests. That's what I want more of, quests and stuff like that. Can we jump? Me jump? Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh dear. Oh yes, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, let's see what he said. Wait a minute. Where is the TV remote? Oh, that was quite easy. Oh, you knew where it is somewhere. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm not. What's on? I don't think that's a word. Yeah. What's on? Oh, he didn't space it out. That's right. That's why I see. Before we start, okay, TV. This is the TV quiz. Oh, is it a GUI? I thought is it a overhead GUI or is it a GUI? Okay, there's a GUI. Hmm. Is that it? Um. Oh, wait a bit. Nothing's going on right now. Probably just. I want to see what happens when you respawn. How do you respawn? It's so weird to say, but how do you, respawn character? Okay, so that's it. In the chat, um, uh, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? Do you want footage of me developing galactic stories, or do you want something else? I'll just go and say that in chat. Just go and see what everyone says. Okay, what do you want me to do then? Play a game? I don't know. Could do that. Yeah, I guess I'll end stream. Okay, so that's basically what we've done. So guys, thanks for watching. I will do maybe a bit more live streams. So see you guys. Bye.